Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to delete X account on mobile. So before deleting your X account, you may want to have a copy of your all X data because after you delete your account on X, you will no longer have any access to your data. So if you want to have that, I will show you now how you can do that. You want to tap a profile picture in the top left. Now scroll down to settings and privacy. Now in the settings, select option your account, and let's go to download an archive of your data. So after it, X will prepare a large file for you, a large zip file which you can download. Yeah, but before that you have to sign into your X account, and you will be notified when that file will be ready to download. So that file will include all the posts, videos, messages, media, basically everything will be included in there. So now, how to delete your X account? You want to go back to your account section, and now let's go to deactivate your account section. Now on your screen you have some information provided by X, and now you have to tap this red deactivate button at the bottom side of the screen. Then you want to enter your X password to confirm, and after that your X account will be deleted. But if you log back into your X account during the 30 days after you deactivate your account, it will be automatically reactivated and the deactivation process will be cancelled. Again, as I said earlier, after 30 days of no X activity, X will permanently delete your account and all the data associated with it. So that's how you can delete your X account on your mobile. I really hope that you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.